ISPN App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how sports streaming has advanced in 2025. The ISPN app offers live games, highlights, news and personalized feeds, but is it still worth downloading? The surprising truth is content variety. Most people get this wrong by thinking sports apps only show scores. ISPN provides coverage for football, basketball, soccer and more, along with analysis, podcasts and original shows. Personalized notifications keep you updated on your favorite teams and leagues. Another advantage is convenience. You won't believe what happens next when you see features like multi-game viewing, diverse-style replay, and integration with streaming services. You can catch up on games anytime, anywhere, whether on mobile, tablet, or connected television. However, there are cons. Some content requires a subscription through ISPN and ads may appear in free sections. The app can be data-intensive and streaming quality depends on your connection. Additionally, international sports coverage is limited compared to local content. In conclusion, the ISPN app in 2025 is ideal for sports fans who want comprehensive coverage, live streaming, and personalized updates. While subscription costs and data usage are considerations, the variety of content and convenience make it a top choice for staying connected to the sports world.